Guys, I wanted to show you my food storage containers that I use for meal prep. I find like as a busy mom of 3, I need to meal prep in order for us to eat like fresh vegetables and fruit, and then also just to have it last longer. My kids will absolutely go for fruits and vegetables as well as myself when they're cleaned and they're in the fridge ready to go. So I really like these container. I have like the grapes that the kids actually ate most of, because you can wash it directly in here like this, so you don't need to like have anything separate. And then I let them dry. I either air dry it or just use like a paper towel. Then you could pour it and put it in here. Sometimes I put a paper towel down here too. And then it has the lid, so you just snap on the lids and goes right into the fridge. It comes in like all different sizes. You can pop these in the dishwasher if you want. Sometimes I just like, hand wash them. Different sizes. It's like a nice plastic. It doesn't feel cheap. It is like really thick, and I haven't had any trouble with the, putting the lid on. I find that sometimes some of these that you could buy at like, different stores, they tend to like have issues with closing. This one I have not had any problems with. So really nicely made. I'm not concerned about it cracking. It's like a really thick plastic. And again, like I just find anything that's going to get me and my family to eat more fruits and vegetables, I'm all in on. And I really highly recommend these.